Expression for equivalent capacity of a condenser in a parallel form. Firstly, definition of condenser in parallel. See this figure. When a number of condensers connected in a such a way that condensers carry the different charges, but PD of all the condensers is a same. All the condensers is a same is known as condenser in a parallel form. Okay, now the expression of this figure. Consider a 3 condensers C1, C2, C3 connected in a parallel form as shown in figure. Let V be the PD applied in a parallel combinations. Now Q be the total charge. Of all the cells. Let now Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay. Across the charge condensers C1, C2, C3. From this figure Q is equal to Q1, Q2, Q3. Equation number first. But we know that Q is equal to what? CV. That is the CV. Now consider the Q1 is equal to what? C1V. Q2 is equal to C2V and Q3 is equal to C3V. Put this value in equations first. Okay, this value in equation first. Now Q is equal to equation first. So we get the Q is equal to what? Q1 C1V, that is C2V plus C3V. Now Q is equal to, again common which term? That is the V, that is the PD. So in bracket C1 plus C2 plus C3. Equation number second. Let CP, that is the equivalent of capacity in a parallel form. Let CP be the equivalent capacity of parallel combination. So the CP is given by, okay, CP is given by, so the Q is equal to CPV. Equation number third. From equation second and third. Okay, equation number second and equation number third. From equation second and thirds, now we get the CPV is equal to V in bracket C1, C2, C3. So the CP is equal to what? In bracket C1, C2 and C3. Okay, and this equation is known as the expression for the equivalent capacity in a parallel form. Then again, if that is the n condenser connected in a parallel form, n condensers connected in a parallel form, condensers in connected in parallel form. What? Parallel form. So the CP is equal to what? C1, C2, C3 plus so on Cn. Okay, this expression is known as condenser in a parallel form, and this bit is completely 4 marks.